Hello, my friend. Are you trading in the DeFi segment of the market? We do too. So tell me, have you ever wanted to automate the process of trading and sniping new tokens? We can give you this opportunity. A unique trading bot with support for all networks, and its main advantage is we give you an opportunity to test our bot on the Binance Smart Chain network free of charge. What can this bot do? Scam protection. Have you ever bought a token that lost its value after a while? This is not a problem with our bot. Add the contract address of the token to the bot to track a rapid sale or liquidity withdrawal. If the price drops by more than 20%, this rate is adjustable, our bot will automatically sell the token. Instant trading. When you trade manually through Trust Wallet or Metamask wallets, you spend 20 to 60 seconds on the token verification and transaction confirmation processes. With our bot, the processes of selling and buying are instant because they go directly to the network of the validator. Support for all networks. Connecting each additional network will cost $300. Just add RPC server address and chain ID. You can also snipe popular tokens from the hot pairs of websites like DexTools and PinkSale. With this feature alone, our team passively makes more than 60% of its daily profit. You can snipe contract addresses from Telegram channels and Discord servers as well. Add a link to the channel in our bot and select the time period from which you want to collect information. Everyone will find their own application for this feature, but originally it was designed to monitor airdrops. A section with logs of your actions. Here you can monitor your latest activity. Use this to work on mistakes and predict your future successes. We add new features weekly and optimize the bot for convenient operation. The most important thing is that we have a friendly community. Each bot user can be added to our private chat on Telegram for free. There we share our new unique trading strategies and monitor the development of new DeFi networks. We reduce spam and focus on working trading schemes. You haven't joined us yet? The link and all the details are in the description of this video.